coming at you guys today with a Belgian waffle video. But of course, it's gonna be healthy Belgian waffles, but it's still gonna satisfy your waffle craving, and it's gonna be tasty, and it's gonna be good, and it's from scratch, so let's get into it.
She made us drinks to drink. We drunk and got drunk in melody. She thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and man, I think that we hit it off something proper like.
So who said that eating healthy had to be boring? It doesn't. If you like the way my breakfast is looking, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it with all your friends, and you know what? We're gonna dive in. Yes, we are. Healthy and good for you. You ready? So good.